we gon' link. Bend it over, let me smack you in that pink. Liquor in her drink, she be weak. She gon' really pop it every week. If she got a little mama, we gon' link. Bend it over, let me smack you in that pink. Liquor.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah Nicole here, and as you can see by the title, I'm going to be texturizing my hair. I'm super excited because this is the first time I'm doing this, so I'm gonna see how it turns out. So I cut my hair like a few months ago because I wanted to like start like short hairstyles. So yeah, we're gonna try to start that today. I'm a little out of breath, so bear with me. So this is the texturizing that I bought from beauty supply store, and we're gonna just try it and see how it works today. Hopefully it works. So I believe what you need is you need gloves, a wide tooth comb, Vaseline, and a towel, which is behind me. So I kind of went over the instructions, so we're gonna see how this works. I kind of know how to do this because my mom used to perm my hair. So yeah, so let me get my towel. I didn't comb my hair or nothing yet because I didn't want to do that. If I'm looking straight, it's because the camera is right in front of me and I keep forgetting to turn to the actual eye. So sorry about that. So I'm gonna put on the gloves first. Ooh, hopefully this doesn't turn out bad, or else I'm gonna cry. Oh, these gloves are ripped. Be right back. Got them. Okay. First, let me just go off what my mom did to me. So first, she would put the Vaseline like all around the inch of my hair. So like I guess it won't burn your scalp. Okay, so I have this on me. She would usually part it into 4. That's when my hair was longer, but since my hair is short, I'm just gonna do it like that. If this isn't working, I'm gonna have to ask her to help me. Hold on. I'm gonna take these gloves off first because I need to get all this stuff out the box. So it came with the texturizer, 2 of them, 2 texturizers, 2 shampoos, and even conditioner and moisturizer. There are like 4 steps in here. Okay. I keep looking down, it's because the instructions are right there. So, oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Kind of nervous too because my mom didn't want me to do this, but I'm doing it anyway. Oh my gosh. So I have the cream right here. So they said it should take like 5 minutes to apply it, and then I should leave it on for like, oh, I started, I can't go back. For about 10 minutes. First you have to start with the edge of your hair and just apply it all around the edge. I don't even know what I'm doing. So first one's done. No, everything's going to slip over. Make sure I got everything. I don't know what that is. Look. Okay, now that everything's covered, you have to get the white tooth comb and comb through the hair. Okay, hey guys, so I'm back. So I left it in for about 10 to 15 minutes. So it says to wash it out with lukewarm water. So I have my bucket, I'm gonna wash it out and then I'm gonna use the shampoo. Okay, so now that I'm done shampooing it, I'm going to condition it. Okay, so we just finished shampooing my hair. I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner. So you leave this on for 3 minutes, put in a shower cap, and then you're gonna rinse it out. So I will be back. Okay, I'm back now. So I washed, shampooed, conditioned everything. Now I have to put in this light cream moisturizer. This is how it looks, clear.
Hey guys, so after watching the video, I kind of felt that I should have left the texturizer on a little bit longer, because looking at the ends of my hair, it kind of looks more towards shrunk than loose. But I was really aiming towards the roots of my hair, more so the ends, so I will explain that in the next clip. But if anyone wants the full texturized look, I suggest you leaving the texturizer on for a little bit longer so that the hair can develop. Guys, so as you can see, it is the next day. I twisted out my hair and I styled it to the side. So this is the final look. The texturizer, I really feel like it helped my hair and it loosened up my curls. This is, if you can see, my curls are really loose from the roots, and that's what I really wanted. So I give this a thumbs up because the results are great.
So I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys want to see me style my hair more, just comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.